Hey guys, this is Fraction Chicks, and I'm going to be doing a bike check. Start out with the frame. I got a 21-inch frame. I think 18-inch top tube. I'm pretty sure. I don't know. I got black Van Holman 1 handlebars. Yeah. And I got red FitBike Co. grips. I've had them for a month and a half. They came with the bike. They kind of are already worn out, kind of. Yeah. And for my stem, I have a FitBike Co. red stem. You guys could see, there's an engraved FitBike Co. right there. Cool stem. I like it really much. I got a FitBike Co. I'm pretty sure brake lever. It's really nice. Yeah, and I've got the FitBike Co. red wall tires. 2.25 in the front, 2.1 in the back. I don't know where I got these pigs. I just got them from my garage. I got FitBike Co. black forks. Really nice. FitBike Co. Hub. FitBike Co. I'm pretty sure spokes. Little cool thing right there. I got from my old bike. FitBike Co. black rims. I'm pretty sure, or are they? In a sec. They're it says right here. They're. I don't know what that says. But yeah, and I've got the FitBike Co. brake cable. I'm pretty sure this is all FitBike Co. I really get mixed up when I say that. And I got the white Makino pedals. Really nice. They're really grippy because these things right here, they keep my foot on the pedal. I've got black FitBike Co. cranks. They're really nice. I don't know what my back, what is it called? Bracket. I think it's a FitBike Co. bracket. And I got a 25-inch red FitBike Co. sprocket. It's really nice. I got a brown cam C chain. It might not look like it to you guys. I don't know. But it is. FitBike Co. There's a FitBike Co. seat post in there. FitBike Co. seat clamp, and a FitBike Co. really nice padding. Like if you see, it's just like it goes in. It's really nice, and it has it on the seat. FitBike Co. And let's go down to here. Got a pretty sure. Yeah, FitBike Co. brake pad. FitBike Co. Yeah, brake pad. Right there. Works really nice. And I got. It looks silver, but it was actually black. But my brakes. Ruin them. If you guys think I should ride no brakes, like, and if you don't think I should ride, if you guys think I should ride brakes, subscribe and like, and if you guys don't think, dislike and just comment and say that you don't. And I got a 2.1 Fit Bike Co. red wall in the back. Another pig that I don't know where from. A back Fit Bike Co. back hub. Yeah. That's all, I think. Yeah, I'll just let you guys. Oh yeah, and I got the same spokes in the back. Let's see how this. I'll let you guys hear how this sounds. Here, let's put it here. It sounds pretty good. Yeah, so I'm gonna go inside now. Fraction Tricks out.